facing forward. I mean, because of the flash that happens, which causes it to make like it look like it's all facing forward. But as we push areas like these back by darkening them up, they then take on the thinner person that you're actually seeing, that you know in life. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to...
Is that why so many photographs make your face look so rounder?
Yes.
Like it's like you lose the definition of the cheeks.
Yes, because you're losing this whole value.
I got it.
Yeah.
Right.
So that's why sometimes they put, now we can think about it and we can figure it out. We can see their structure and push those values darker. But photographers sometimes use the reflector to push another light into this area. So they may have this area, the natural color, this area really dark, and then a lighter value flashing in here to show that side of your face so it thins you down. But we can do it with just value because we're better than cameras.
So, is this a specific person that you've drawn, or this is just the generic picture?
Sometimes if I do blue eyes, it looks like Cameron Diaz a lot. Apparently, I think she set the perfect.
In mind.
No, it's just about, it's all about the lecture and each one evolves to be whoever they are. So eyelashes. So when you're doing eyelashes, so this is a dark brown. Actually, it says, I thought I saw black, but it's dark brown, I think. Okay, so when you're doing eyelashes, you want your eyelashes to go straight up above the eye. You want them to go out and curved at the outer edge. So you're going to go out and curved straight up in that area. They end about right there. So, and they're shorter at that point. So you have that angle there. So I have all those different angles, straight up to a round curve to that curve. So it's kind of like an array coming from the sun. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a short rounded line as I come up to a straight line, because straight up, it's going to be straight up, and then I'm going to switch angles and I'm going to start curling around until I get to the shorter angle over there. With paint, with pastels, with oils, you can take and pull your paint back into the tips to make them look more natural. With watercolor, you're going to have to just make sure that you go really light at the tip. So we're going to go around, and I can start with an outline, doing a darker line. I can get them, they can be thicker at the